Hi there, you're looking at my pegboard with all my tools hanging from this pegboard, and it's a wooden pegboard and it has metal pegs attached to it that the tools hang from. And today I'm going to share with you how to quickly and easily attach new metal pegs to this wooden pegboard. So there's one of the metal pegs, and what you have to do is attach the top first to one of the holes, and that sort of space between the two sort of lugs that stick out of that metal peg are just a little bit narrower than the hole in the pegboard, and it's a little bit sort of tight and hard to push in. So what I find is I just get a piece of scrap wood like that, a little bit of pine perhaps, and just get that wood there and use it as a bit of a lever and sort of push down in like that, and there we go. The peg is quickly and easily attached to the pegboard. And here we go. I'll put another peg in just to show you that it wasn't a fluke the first time. Put that put the peg in like that, line up that bottom lug roughly around that hole, and then a bit of wood, push down, and there we go. That second peg is attached and ready to put a tool on that peg. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.